Hello everyone, I am Hasan from the Institute for TMDT at the University of Wuppertal in Germany, and I am very happy to present our paper at this year's KDD conference. Its title is Online Quality Prediction in Windshield Manufacturing Using Data-Efficient Machine Learning. So what's the paper about? First, imagine the manufacturing process of car windshields. This process involves several manufacturing steps, and in the end, the quality inspection takes place, where product defects might be detected. But then it's too late, because the defects already occurred. So, in this paper, our goal is to develop a machine learning-based approach for online quality predictions. The predictions are used to intervene in the process and to prevent defects. Sounds simple, right? But it isn't, because real-world manufacturing comprises complex physical phenomena and several challenges must be overcome for machine learning. In our paper, we address three key challenges. The first is that the data is collected from many sources and sensors, and it exhibits different data modalities, such as time series and images. We address this issue by using methods for data processing, feature extraction, and feature selection. The second challenge is that the manufacturing process is constantly changing. This means that the machine learning model must be constantly updated on new data. Therefore, we develop a continual learning method that ensures model training across such manufacturing process changes. And third is that the data collection in this real-world production process is very costly. And as a result, the databases for the model training is sparse. We address this issue by performing continual learning in a data-efficient way. We have implemented and evaluated our approach in a real-world manufacturing process. If you are curious about the results, let us talk at the conference. I am looking forward to it. Thank you very much.